Today we're testing the GreenWorksPro crossover CRZ 426 mower. I've done some work to this one because it had some corroded wires that ran the drive motors, but all that's solved. I figured I'd make a video of just setting on the mower, running it while you're cutting grass. Got a couple little sections here we're going to go through and cut. Okay, here we go. I would say it's probably a good mower, depending on what you have to mow. Obviously, several sticks that I just run over. Pretty sure I hit a rock right over there as I was bringing it back over, but other than that, it seems to be a pretty good mower. Lifetime, I've mowed this entire area here on one charge on the battery, and I've done this 4 times now. Seems to be doing pretty good. There's 6 8-amp-hour 60-volt batteries in it. They claim you can mow up to 2.5 acres, which seems to be right. It has done good. The only issue is if you're expecting a quiet mow. Obviously, there's the normal mower things that make noise. A gas engine, you'd never even hear all this, but being electric, You do hear a few things. That is one of them, but no big deal. Other than that, I don't have any issues with this mower. As I said before, it's done an amazing job. But yeah, this is a GreenWorksPro CRZ 426.